Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp is not responding error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option, and then scroll down, go to apps or apps management option. Now click on search app and search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and then go to storage option. Now clear cache your WhatsApp storage. Go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen, go to Play Store, click on search app, search WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp in latest version. After completing update process, now go back to home screen and then restart your device. After restart your device, now go to WhatsApp and see problem solved successfully.